Hi everybody, how is it going? Okay, so today we are going to talk about the nutrients in food. The nutrients? What are nutrients? What are nutrients? Okay, let's see. What do you usually have for breakfast? Maybe milk or bread with tomato? Oh, what do you usually have for breakfast? Is all food good for you? Yes or no? What do you think? How many glasses of water do you drink a day? Do you know that water is essential for life? Okay, so now we are going to see where are the nutrients that we need to live and grow. So, let's see. Nutrients. All the nutrients we need are found in our food. When we eat, the digestive system breaks down the food to use and store these nutrients. So, for example, we eat this food, a banana, and when we eat this banana, the digestive system breaks down where in stomach breaks down the food to use and store these nutrients. These nutrients are through our body, right? Okay, so there are 5 types of nutrients, which are carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins, and minerals. And we also need fiber and water to live and grow, right? Okay, we will see this in a video. We can watch this video, click here in this link, and you can watch a video on YouTube about the nutrients, right? Okay, so how many type of nutrients are there? How many? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. There are 5 types of nutrients, which are carbohydrates, fats, what's this? Proteins, vitamins, and minerals, right? And we are going to see each one in the next slides. Okay, what's this? These are carbohydrates. Potatoes, bread, cereals, pasta, and pulses and rice contain carbohydrates and fiber. Carbohydrates give us energy to run, ride a bike, and study. Fiber is good for our digestion, right? These are carbohydrates, cereals, pasta, bread, right? Okay, next one. What is this? Is oil, for example, butter. This is fats. Oil, butter, cheese, nuts contain fats. We need to include some fats in our diet. They help our brain and nervous system. Fats build a store of extra energy for when we need it. But don't eat too many or you will become unhealthy and overweight. So we need to eat fat, but only in small quantities, right? Okay, next one. What's this? Protein. Right, protein. Meat, fish, pulses, eggs, nuts, and milk products contain proteins. Milk contains a mineral called calcium. Proteins help us grow. Proteins make your hair and nails grow. We need proteins to build muscles, right? Okay, so do you see? Here we have meat, fish, pulses. Where are the eggs? Eggs, milk. Where is the milk? Here. Okay, and milk contains a mineral called how? Calcium. Very good. Okay, next one. What's this? Vitamins and minerals, right? Fruits and vegetables contain vitamins and minerals. They are also full of fiber. Oranges and mandarins contain vitamin C, and carrots contain vitamin A. They help us to stay healthy, to grow, and to protect us from illness. For example, vitamin A is good for eyesight. Calcium is good for bones and teeth. Is it clear, guys? Okay, so now we're going to do this interactive worksheet. So click here. I'm going to upload this PowerPoint on Padlet, and I'm going to send the link, and I can't. Okay.